You need to watch this if you struggle with geography. Volcanoes are more exciting than you think. Did you know there are about 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth? And some of them are hiding underwater. Here's a shocker. The largest volcano in our solar system isn't on Earth, it's Olympus Mons on Mars, and it's nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. But hold up, Earth's got its own record breaker. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the biggest volcano on our planet by volume. And get this, volcanic lightning is a real thing. When erupting, volcanoes can create lightning storms due to all the ash and particles rubbing together. So next time you think of volcanoes, remember, they're more than just molten rock. They're Earth's way of keeping us on our toes.